Hola familia, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So as you guys can see for the title, today we are doing the Project Pan finale for Partners in Cream Project Pan. This is my second year doing this Project Pan and I'm so thrilled and so excited how this Project Pan has made me reach a lot of goals that I wanted to reach even before this Project Pan was created. I already had this mindset and this Project Pan allowed me to throw everything into one area and just concentrate on these products. So obviously this Project Pan was created by the beautiful Steph and Delyn. I will have everything linked down in the description box if you're interested in starting this Project Pan next year when it comes back in January. I do not know if they're going to do any changes, but if they do, obviously we'll let you know in the intro of that Project Pan series. So today I have my 5 products here that I want to share with you guys, and we're going to go ahead and get started. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the familia. My name is Alejandra. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with a dash Project Pan. That's something that interests you. Subscribe, join us. And now let's get on with the finale. All right, you guys, so I'm excited with a lot of things in this round, but I didn't get a lot of things done, but that's okay. So the first thing I want to start out with is my VDL Lumi Layer Primer. This is something that I rolled in last month. I told you guys I just wanted to get use out of it. I cannot see through this, and this is glass, so even if I weigh it, it's not really going to give you an indication of where I stand with it. I don't know if I can even see down here. See, it's like white cream on a white bottle and it's frosted, so I can't even tell, but there's still a lot in here, you guys. This was brand new when I rolled it in, really, honestly. So I wasn't expecting to hit too much of it. I just use one pump every single day that I wear my makeup. So it's been a lot. I've been using this for some 20-some days. There's some days here and there. I took a little 4 days off during Thanksgiving. But other than that, I really use this almost every single time I did my makeup. So I'm still going to use it. My only primer in my whole entire collection, and I'm very proud of that because this Project Pan allowed me to get to this point. Up next is my Ofra Mattifying Makeup Fixer. This is my only setting spray in my whole entire makeup collection. When we first started, it was right there, and now we were right here last update, and currently we are right here. I don't know if you guys can see that blue line right there. I'm holding a little bit wonky. But we've used quite a bit of it. I enjoy it. I like it. I've been wearing it every day. Sometimes I even spray my brush for a foil look on eyeshadows. But overall, it's a decent one. It doesn't have a strong scent. It doesn't have any alcohol, I believe, in it. So I actually don't mind it. I don't see any alcohol in here. I could be wrong, though. I could be wrong. I don't know. But I'm going to continue to use this. My only setting spray again. And I'm proud of that because that is an accomplishment for me. Up next is my Mally Shadow Stick in Topaz. Last time, I believe I needed to use this. Actually, you know what? I might be able to tell on my counter because it has like a monthly thing. So I needed to use this about 5 times. And you guys, I used it more than 5 times. I kind of rolled it back up for the 3rd time. I do not learn my lesson. I rolled it up for the 3rd time. I broke it for a 3rd time. So you guys, I had to really squish it in there. So as you guys can see, this is really, really beat up. I want to finish this up next year. My goal is to finish this up next year. I love this shadow. I went through my whole entire makeup shadow stick collection to see if I have a dupe of this one. I have something similar, but not exact. The undertone of this is very unique, and I knew it was unique, and it's not sold anymore. So it's a shame because I really like this color, but I got a ton of use from this year, and I'm very proud. So I'm going to put this back in my collection until next year. I'll probably roll this out around the summertime into the fall, and that's when I'll try to finish this whole entire shadow stick up. The 4th product I have is my Bite Beauty Piper. I was going to call it Piper. Pepper lipstick. My goal was to use this all up, you guys. I was shy. Look how little bit I have left of this. I am wearing this today on my cheek. You guys, I don't mind this at all. I will finish this off by the end of this year. So you will see this pepper empty in my empties for the year. I'm not going to stop using it just because I'm done this Project Pan. I want to continue to use it up. I want one more lipstick done. One more. Just one more. We'll see if I get there. We'll see. I think I will. I am confident I will, but For this project pan, I didn't get a chance to finish it completely. That's because of the few days I took off, but that's okay. And last but not least is my Clinique Ever Better All Over Concealer product here. You guys, I took the stopper out and we're basically done. Like, I'm literally scraping this. You could see that the sponge tip is dried up. I'm scraping and scraping. You guys can clearly see there. I've been scraping the walls. I can't get much anymore out of here. Like, I can't get a decent amount in here anymore. So I'm done with this. It's over. I'm happy. I actually like this one. I'm not going to lie to you. In the beginning, I didn't like it because the color wasn't suiting me. But if I pick a right shade, this is actually decent. And you're getting a lot of product. I'm actually pretty pleased with this one. What are you getting? 6 milliliters. That's a decent amount. This took me a while to use because I've been using this since like probably May, June, around there. So it took a while for me to use this up. So I'm not upset about it. I got this half off. I got this for $13 in January and I finished it up this year. So I did get another concealer in this year, which makes me very, very happy. So this is an empty and a gold met in this project pan. Alrighty, folks, that is the end. That's all she wrote. Those are my 5 products, the finale of this project pan. I used up a ton of items in this project pan. I met a lot of goals in here. You'll see in my makeup inventories how much cream-based products I currently own. I am blown away at how well I've been doing with my numbers because that was my main goal. I didn't want the creamy stuff to linger too long, and then when I use it, it either breaks me out, gives me a rash, or it has gone bad. So I'm proud of myself. Next year, I do want to concentrate more on my lipsticks, which means I will be bringing in more lipsticks in either to use as cheek products, as lip products, as whatever products. We're going to figure it out because that's my goal for next year. Thank you guys so much for watching yet again this year on this project pan. I had a lot of fun. More videos on the screen for your enjoyment. Until then, adios.